We got a treat today, and I've got this summertime dish. And I've also got these 4 wonderful pals of mine, and they wanted me to do a cooking show. And I'd like to introduce these 4 lovely ladies. Let's start here with Miss Deborah Mcintosh. Come on in, Deb. Right here. Yeah. Followed by Miss Gail Bratz. Yeah. Thank you. Followed by Janice Sukup. And the lovely Mary Kay Turner. I've just been so excited to have you guys here, and I've made up some margaritas here for you guys.
Muy bueno.
Thank y'all.
Okay. Now, ladies, today's dish is called KAGG, K-A-G-G, KAGG Guacamole Gazpacho. First thing we're going to do, this actually, ladies, is an English cucumber, okay? And English cucumbers have a much better flavor. Now, the basic recipe for this guacamole-based gazpacho, 2 avos, ripe, okay? 2 limes. I got 4 of these little juicy tomatoes, or maybe 1 big juicy tomato, a jalapeno, and some celery and some spices and stuff, and we're gonna put this together. So we'll start here by doing this, putting about, about that much or so.
About that much.
Yeah, into the blender. Now, we're going to take some slices here off of this, and we're going to save it for later, and I'll show you why in a minute. Okay, guys having a good time here?
Muy bueno, yeah, baby.
So, this here, we'll just, and I like to leave the seeds in and everything. Let's
So it
put
makes it spicier, the seeds.
it's got a little kick to it, yeah. So in goes that. We've got a couple of celery sticks here, okay? So we'll kind of
Those.
get those in. That goes in.
I could actually make this.
Okay.
You could make this too, I think.
Now, these little tomatoes here, we'll just kind of put those in. So, all right, now we're going to take a couple of limes here, juice them up a little.
Always make sure they're warm. You get more juice out of a warm lime.
Okay, well that's smart. This is my show, though. Okay, so
Serious.
Yeah.
serious lime juice. Now, let's go ahead and work on the olive here. So we'll just take this knife again. We'll sprinkle it apart here. And then to get the seed out,
That's it.
there you go. I did. And we'll just spoon the olive in.
Yes.
Okay, that's 1 olive.
And this recipe will serve how many, Bubba?
This, that's a good question. This recipe will serve about
Brown noser.
6 people.
I know. We're learning.
And now then we're going to put some half and half in.
Ooh.
Okay? And this is going to really loosen this up here. And you can just put in till you,
No idea.
Yeah, I've never.
till you get to a consistency.
So there's no calories in this.
No. It's
Half
healthy.
and half is good for you.
Healthy. Okay? So let's turn on here and get rolling.
turn on.
Back up. Oh, look how beautiful that is.
They're looking nice already.
Yeah.
Okay? Now,
Shall we taste it now?
I know we're gonna do that in a minute. Remember my show.
sorry.
Sorry.
I get confused.
So a little Worcestershire.
So I am blind.
Say yum.
2
Okay.
splashes.
Another deal here. There's this wonderful olive oil store downtown, Rocky Mountain Olive Oil. And my favorite combination that I kind of created down there about 2 years ago is blood orange olive oil and Sicilian lemon vinaigrette salmi. So we're going to put a little. This is actually Sicilian lemon. Here, this is a vinaigrette. Going to give it a real little zingy flavor.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, and then we're going to hit that. Yeah, blood orange. I mean, this is a blood orange olive oil. Okay.
Wow.
So we've got here about a teaspoon salt. Okay. Then over here, I've got some cumin. So we'll do about
I love, yes.
just about.
Very healthy.
Now, 2 spices that are very important to this.
Yes.
There's a celery salt and a cucumber based spice, and you can get those online. However, if you go downtown to the Savory Spice Shop in the Galleria,
Which is the best.
It's just the best.
Thank you,
There's wonderful
Susan
people down there.
Kirkpatrick. Yep.
And so here, I've got a kind of a dill-based deal they put together, so it'll be a little dill in this, and we'll put a teaspoon of that in. Okay.
So now, okay.
Okay, so I think we've got everything in here now, and let's give it another.
Oh, that's delicious.
I'm serious.
This is excellent.
Okay.
Oh, Bubba, the spice is perfect.
Thank you, thank you. So now we will put this into a container here. And then what we're going to do, I like to put a little texture in this. So I've got my food chopper here, right there, and we'll just put that in here.
Did you drink mine?
So one of the things, the last deal on this, guys, a little creme fraiche here. I used to think it was creme froth, but it's creme fraiche. So we're going to put this in the fridge, and we're going to chill it for about an hour.
And we chill for an hour too. Ooh, I like it.
You guys
I like it.
We'll have some more margaritas. There we go. Okay. Yeah, go sit down and have a cocktail, and I'm going to get ready for phase 2. Okay. Here we go.
Oh, we have to
In the fridge. Now for about an hour, cool down, kind of set up a little. All right. So we're going to take a spoonful of this right here and just put it into a bowl. Secrets. These are roasted pine nuts.
They're the best.
They add a nice, a wonderful flavor, and I roast them in a wok. I get a dry wok, no oil. I just put it in a wok and just stir them around. They start turning
They have
brown.
their own oil.
And they get roasty, so like that.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Okay, now we're take a little cilantro, and we'll just put a little of that in here.
You're wilting.
I am wilting.
You're wilting, yes.
Now,
Can I do this?
yeah, the next thing we're going to do,
You're a
that's
helper,
a
you're
little
good.
OCD right there, Janice, here.
Sorry, I like things.
I understand that, yeah. Okay, now, these are wonderful things. These are jalapeno chips. Okay?
Where did you find those?
Well, I found these at Costco, so we'll put a few of those. Now, let's cut up a
Bobbit knife.
bobbit
You got your
knife.
bobbit knife. Yes.
Yeah,
That poor little
It's
zucchini.
like a whole lot. Oh, look at
okay. That.
That's gorgeous.
And then we'll add a couple of nice shrimp on that. Summertime, right?
It is summertime.
Then on top of all that,
Cream fresh.
more creme fraiche. Yeah, absolutely.
Wow. That's awesome.
Oh, Bubba, this is gorgeous.
Thank you.
Artist.
Aha. And now
artistic.
for the coup de grace,
Coupe de Grace.
we're gonna do blood orange drizzle. Okay.
That's beautiful.
I feel like I'm at La Bernardine in New York, huh?
And there, guys, we have the KAGG. The Kick
The KAGG. Give it up for the KAGG. Yes, Chef Bubba. Audience.
Bon appetit, ladies.
Oh, thank you.
So, I'm glad you enjoyed it, guys. It's been fun having you here.
Oh, this is like, yeah, really good.
You know what they say in Mama Mabel's Boy Kitchen? What do we say?
Clean kitchen is a happy, kitchen.
A clean kitchen is a happy,
Happy
kitchen.
kitchen.
And this is an especially happy kitchen this
It
morning.
is.
Thank
You have blessed us with your happiness.
Just so
That's
happy.
awesome. Yes.
For more recipes and this recipe, be sure to tune in to mamamabelsboy.com at the website, and you'll learn how to do this. See the video. It's on YouTube, Mama Mabel's Boy. And of course, it's on Facebook. Bon appetit.
Here, thank
All
you.
right, we're done.
Ready?
Okay. As we say in the business, that's a wrap. That's a wrap.
Unbelievable. Oh my God.
Okay.
This is awesome.
It really is so good.
Thank you.